Imali ngalaxesha lethu yayiqala icelwa ngoosisi abahle. Hayi mntakabawo ngoku. Le generations inkhoyo ngoku. Ugqobgqob mntakabawo.
Ukubikawa ayikutshintshi. Ukubikawa ayikulungisi. Sukuya hlala endlini. Uyi-waste esecaweni.
What's Hola. Kakumbela sisi ngafika isishwapa ke njani
Ushwapa wena awuyakumona ushwapa wena ngidaba zabantu ushwapa kwipathika ti uzitonifi akwenza shwapa wayibona hey shwapa
What's
hey shwapa
Hey.
yeah shwapa yakumona.
If you are great at whatever, you are a great engineer or you are a great whatever gynecologist, but you kaka yomntu. You kaka yomntu. And the kaka is so chikibe cake.
Oh my God. Why?
Kake from man.
Maka, you're always drinking. Do you ever think about what the kids at home are eating?
Hayi nami ngisibuza into yodwa ukuthi angabe bona bacabangileni ukuthi la ngikhona ngiphuza.
Njani
Ilapho.
Wena Maka.
Only in South Africa sisitiki apho i-diploma ithengisayo like isonke.
Ndiyakuxelela sawuthenga ngoku nezulu uzibona sohlala ecango Yesu uthi hayi ndalithengela zulu emthatha.
Mina ngiyakhala futhi ukuthi why uMandela isikhohlakali sekhetha sashiya uwini wethu sayoshada uGrass.
Why njani
Silo uMandela angangeni ezulu. Yeah, you men abuse uMandela ngoba unabantwana noWin. Akanamntwana noGrass. And wazi kathi ukuthi mayijwa noWin no Grass. uGrass ayo indoda yakhe uMashele ufangaziwe asimazi namanje. Sithi uMandela yiba babulale uSamora Mashele. Asethelwa thumela. Hayibo. Ngoba manje uGrass uthole 50% kaMandela engabe ithole uWin.
Gangster love
Bekanyobani uMandela uWin igogo nomkhulu. Bashiyeni. Uthethi wena mangabe kuwini noGrass abangazwani ezulwini. You're gonna scope his pussies out. Ndoda nini ekusali chiscope nempala.
Oh.
Leseki.
So yenziwa ngurhulumente la.
Ndinge mna oro le company nikiwe boza abanye abantu besuka pha. Wabona abantu babhizi usebenza apha bangene pha phakathi.
Yeah.
Uphume pha phakathi ubambe amanzi intoni bayajikeleza jike which means the company baningibe izinto ezifanayo. So it means
bayajikiriza
maybe banike nantsike job. Nantsike nemunicipal
Contract,
yeah maybe.
Ayafakala.
Olobona babona hayi lendlela apha kubhiza abakufuneka isekile ngasiyo.
how can you pull a straight face nobethetha kanje
Baziphetha ngawo iyocala indlela so apha le ndawo iphethwa naba bantu befake lo mntu sile ufuna ufake half azazi mona
Makafake hazo.
Ibona iyazi mo wena umile ngoku
Anjike baqhuba ibhanga.
hayi akho right le ndayenza.
why do you always go to church events a whole grown human being
Kodwa usukune party mo othandana intombazane eno connection. Angifuni intombazane no connection.
alifuni nami hayi
Cinyelwa upetrol endleleni, phela upetrol endleleni. Awuyazi kunomfana engimazi oshala ama-Uber angafika nje la. Ufuna ukuthutha, awuyazi kunobhuti engimaziyo oneveni. Ufelwe imoto, awuyazi kunobhuti engimaziyo umechanic ave good shame.
udibana phi nabonga ba
Nangumuntu bo. Hayi, uthi sabathi yazi ublockelwe ifoni. Hayazi kunoguy engimaziyo ugudi kabi kulezi zinto lezi zamafoni. Hey. Nangu Jack bo. Hawu.
So I go make my ID at Capitec.
Your one
this
eye
morning.
appears.
Early morning, I'm up. I'm gonna go make my ID at Capitec. Get to Capitec, get in the booth. We do the ID. When it came to the photo time to take the photo, the machine is telling me, your one eye appears to be closed. That's what the machine is telling me. Your one eye appears to be closed. Appears. It is closed. What do you mean appears? Your one eye appears to be closed. Appears. It is closed. So I couldn't make my ID because this machine couldn't tell that I have one eye. My one eye appears to be closed because I got one eye, motherfucker. Obviously, it's closed. It doesn't appear to be closed. Bro, and so they told me, go to Home Office. What is Home Office going to do? Is Home Office going to open my one eye? Home Office is going to open my one eye now.
So when I know Capitec, you didn't see eye to eye.
Arms of the cooking lady look like this. Just know the food is about to be delicious.
Khona abantu abakuthatha ngempela serious ukulala. Angeke ungitshela wena unama-pyjama. Wasuka endlini waya e-store wathi la ngiyothenga i-uniform yokulala. Ngaphandle kwale uniform
yolala.
Angizukulala angizukulala kamnandi. Mina personally ngilala ngqondo and like I feel like impahla zami ziyangi-restrict mangilele. Hayi but nina be-uniform jam.
2026 sekhona TV nje.
Uyabona ke i-obituary funeke ibe nje, especially xa
waxakeka
ibe short and simple.
abanye wafa.
O degree, o diploma, o matric, o honors, hayi no experience. Mayibe nje man, straight to the point. Abantu bakhawuleze batye bagoduke.
Sisezokonwaba bebe wami, sisezokonwaba kakhe mna nawe. Wow siyakuthi bebe wami. We going to far away. Siyakuthi baby wami. We are going for beyond, girl. We are going for beyond. Siyakuthi Nyanza mna nawe. Yo sani wena umhle kangaka yo.
This man.
Abantu besimame bayaforce. Uyamtshela baby angina nix. Angifuni ukuthi uze hayi baby ngizodlala okudlayo. Mangafika lapha bese ayalamba athi ngiyamlambisa mina. Ngimlambisa kanjani ngoba ngishilo akazi ukuthi mina ngiyabekezela ngidli vele mina. Ngiyabekezela ngidle emajiteni mangibuya la ngibuye ngizilalele. Ngiyazi emajiteni kushawa inhloko kushawa amakota enini. Mangifika la angina nix. Bese athi ngiyamlambisa. Ufosteleni yena uchazayo.
Makabekezele naye.
No, I'm lying. No.
You are lying. You said yesterday that
I am lying.
Yes.
No, my sequence is
and
yet
I
to
wasn't even trying to catch you out in a lie. I was just correcting you.
If I may, ma'am, sorry. It's because I'm being flooded with paperwork here. That's why I'm correcting myself. I'm lying.
Click it.
Don't know.
What? Yaziwa ngupresident mandiyeke. Ithini president? Oh, kuthiwa clock it. It click and clock into one. Okay, clock it, comrades. Thank you very much.
He click the clock in day one. The only thing I see is clocking is high unemployment.
Oh, stop mad, I mean to say. Bengicela singayisebenza kakhulu English. I-English angiyifuni. Ngibalekela into eyodwa nge-English. English ifuna uma bekubuza ngesingisi uthi yes. Ngoba wathi no, bazothi why. So much to explain. It can't be. Akekho umuntu osafe la. Akho umuntu ozokhuluma isingisi.
Akho umuntu safe.
Hi, Pantam. Please close the door.
Aibo. Oh, caramba. Ixi.
Babushwe kamnandi ke?
Hayibo,
Ayisiyangale, ngikwazi ukusibona siba respect. Bathengela ugwayi bayivalela bona futhi ababaleki. Akuboni. Sorry Razo, ucela usivalele la. Ucela usivalele.
Our Peter Parker.
English is not for all of us.
I beg your pardon. Eh? I beg your pardon. You beg my pardon. You beg my pardon. I beg your pardon. You telling me I beg your pardon. You beg my pardon. Eh? I beg your pardon. You beg my pardon. You telling me now.
You know what I beg your pardon means?
What is it? Telling me. I beg your pardon. You beg my pardon. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
What does that mean?
So you beg my pardon.
I beg your pardon. What does it mean?
So okay, you beg my pardon.
The question is, what does that mean?
Yes. Okay. Ne? Is right. Test me. I'm gonna test you now. Ne?
Now test me.
I don't know. Tell me what is it. Tell me the answer.
Test me.
What says it now? I beg your pardon. You must tell me what's the meaning.
I can't.
You must tell me what's the meaning.
Tell me what I'm saying.
Because why I telling you that you said I beg your pardon. Now I'm telling you, you beg my pardon. Jehovah, Baba, hui kosiyami, Baba wami, hui.
Yeah, chap.
Jehovah.
Madalo ya cheese, awulebele ngocula.
Jehovah, wena baba hui, sitalo futhi siphetho, hui koboke, epiweni yam. Jehovah, you are my father, you are my king, you are everything.
Tata kabando.
Give to me, you are my king, you are my father, you are everything to me. Jehovah, we sitalo, utu yesipetho, we koboke,
Yo. Kado icule maphupe.
Jehovah.
Mane yathatha amandla bakula khabhathi.
Uyikoboke, empilweni yam. Jehovah, Baba wami, Nkosi yami, Baba wami futhi. Uyikoboke.
Boy, I want to be this happy because I didn't tell.
Jehovah, Jesus Christ.
Want to be there. I 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 want to be there. To be there.
Hey, Mzansi.
Lord, I want to be there.
Lord, I want to be
Cheese
there.
up and
Lord, I want to be there. Lord, I want to be there. Lord, I want to be there forever.
Hola.
Jerusalem in the city,
the city of the Lord.
Mzansi bafethu, there's too much talent bafethu. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. For more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Salute lapho.
I'm money, come and vibe with me.
Culture people, we discovered them. Every journey tells a story true. Welcome to Armani. This adventure's made for you.